Hi guys, welcome to ShivaTech channel. In today's video, we will be seeing how to add multiple email IDs in Office 365 associated with the main primary ID. For that, we need to log in into the admin portal, give the admin and admin password to log into the admin portal. I have given the link in the description below of the admin portal, and just click on the left side and go to the admin. Once you log into the admin portal, the left side you will see the active users. Under the active users, you click active users and select the user for whose primary email you need to add multiple email IDs. This multiple email ID concept is you have to pay only for the primary email address, and you can associate with multiple email IDs for which you need not pay. The primary email address is shown on top, then you have the username, then try the email ID of your choice to associate with the primary email ID. So what here you see, it is the option is disabled to add because this admin portal is synced with the Active Directory on your on-site premises. So we need to go to the on-site premises, log in into your Active Directory, open the Active Directory services, then click on the username for whom you want to add the multiple email IDs. Right click on that mail ID and go to properties, and from properties you select the attribute editor. From attribute editor you select the proxy address. Under the proxy address you need to type the user of your user email ID of your choice with prefixing with SMTP in small colon, then the ID of your choice. This will link to the main primary email address. Once this is added, just apply it, then go to the Windows console and run this command. This also I have shared in the description below, or you can search in Google for this command. This will sync the Active Directory to the admin portal immediately. Otherwise, Microsoft will take 30 minutes to sync the changes in the Active Directory. Now you go back to check in the admin portal. This concept provides Office 365 allows you to add multiple email IDs linking to your main primary ID. This is a very useful concept. For example, if there is a finance guy in your office, you can add finance manager, carriers at finance. Like that, he can choose multiple email IDs for his department so that any email comes, it comes directly to him. Or a HR manager can add carrier email, HR at, like this, multiple email ID of their choices. So try to re-execute the Windows PowerShell command, then come back and recheck if the ID what you have added in the Active Directory has synced here. Now we can see that ID has been added and synced to your admin portal. So Office 365 charges only once for the primary address and does not charge for the other, but all the mailbox of 50 GB which Microsoft Office 365 provides will be charged to the primary ID, and all the email IDs coming to the associated IDs will go into the 50 GB storage mailbox. You can even check in the Exchange Admin Center just to confirm whether the ID has been. And then one more point is that SMTP, and if you type in capital, that will become the main primary ID. All the small typed SMTPs will become the associated IDs for the main primary ID. Thanks for watching, friends.